Freeze. Eh? Basketman is not Dr. Freeze because Dr. Freeze say make them not pay tax again for church. Because Basketman now say if they don't pay tax again for church, stop the music in there. Basketman now say if they don't pay tax again for churches, where for they go to do commedia, they're not going to give a big envelope again. Because all these things where they are put on the poor, children, the less privileged, it don't concern you now. You don't forget when you first start a Basketman. I want to share this video. Make you reach Basketman. When I tell you insult Dr. Freeze, Basketman, you don't forget yourself. Let me show you. You see when your hair won't come out for your head, when hungry won't kill you. This is what Nigeria churches are doing to the less privileged. They collect money from the poor people to buy jets, to pay on a comedian, When I go outside of God, you understand that the God church are going to do comedian there. Have you ever seen a mosque where comedians are going to make guests of they make jokes? You people are turning churches to where you people fishes money, making money from the less privileged. Eh? When I get God's not to insult Dr. Freeze because they say the truth, they do not pay tithes again. What are the congregation are paying tithes for? The people are donating to help the less privileged. What are the churches using the money for? They are using it to buy jets, building schools, millionary schools where the children of their church cannot go. Look at it, we're in the 21st century now. Children are still going to schools with shells in their head. I did that 30-something years ago before I left Africa. Why is it when in 2018 children are still doing that? Where churches are building schools, millionary school, where the less privileged are not going. Do Basketman. You forget yourself that you were once a less privileged. Look your high. Look how you were years ago. You the son said Dr. Freeze say Africans where don't get when they take visa. And then must everybody be born rich? They born you rich because you get Basketman and then they pay you. They give you envelope. Every son and about to deceive poor people when they go when they find church to go and relax themselves because of say they're there for poverty. Eh? Everybody must know we are not 2018. We are going to 2018 now. All the churches, all this title that they collect is enough. No way, no wrong again. I want to share this video. Share it to Linda Ikeji. Share it to Nigeria. Miss anyway people can share it. Make it reach that Basketman. So that you go close that Basketman. You forget yourself. You forget where you first start. See you. People when they look for Libya are liberal prisoners. So that's your high piece. So when you, before you become a Dr. District Basketman. Now so the highest be go and look people that Nigerian people when they lock for inside Libya prison. Go and look at them. You don't have difference between this your first picture. There's no difference between you and them. When you get desperate, you forget it. Now people when they talk say we don't pour our house, what we don't do. We should stop paying tithes to church for waiting. You come out there, you want belittle the Dr. Freeze say Africans when don't get visa. You get visa? Eh? Because all those big churches that they pay una, that they give envelope to don't talk God after God don't talk to the commander this thing. Can you go to mosque and make jest of God West? Eh? Enough is enough. If after 37 years, Mugabe of Zimbabwe and all of that, all useless man, they come out and without saying 2 or 3 people die. You will not say all these churches they must slow down. This evening, follow me by 9 o'clock. I will continue from here. When I see Pope Francesco, Pope of Italy, they give a Bugatti. He collect the Bugatti, sell them out to help the less privileged. Official Nigerian pastors, they are having different type of jets, having different type of schools, where the less privileged cannot go. Who come and talk when I want neglect. When I neglect, he said, they see the one where you talk. See, make one see me. Enough is enough. It's a pity. When I don't suffer before. Now want you to say God help you to talk for the less privilege. When I want use my privilege to suffocate the less privilege. We go baptize one by one. Except una divide back from them. Remember when I first start. Okay? So my people, one and all, when I share this video, make it reach Dr. Basket Mouth. Then Dr. Freeze, we are with you, we are solidarity with you. Enough is enough. No tithes again for any churches, both in Nigeria and abroad. Enough is enough. Who want to sort and bring out your money, donate it to the less privileged, to the orphanage homes. Children are going to school without church. We know that it's supposed to be the governor. The governor, the governors, the Nigerian governor is supposed to take care of that. But if they cannot do it, what can we do? We are giving, they say give money to the church, sell tithe to the church, show offering to the church, so that they will help the less people. What are they doing with the money? They are using it to make their family to be rich. Open churches in different ways, in different places. Is that not what Jesus Christ did 2,000 years ago? He got to his father's house and destroy all those machetes inside the church. So enough is enough for all these big churches. All of them don't cry now. Their head don't come and say, if these people, these are people who they believe to, if they don't come a pet time, where would they go? No way again. I think Mubagwe say no, they come out and say if you won't give power, now why you won't become president again? No. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. They say they take too much for soup. Bad person go stand now all of us there so. Enough is enough. Now poor man picking now they talk so. Now poor man picking now go they talk for the next people because if you are not there, no people the picking will come talk for us so. So make una get up, make una wise our people, my people, make una wise. Make una humble high. Make una don't let them speak that useless English content deceive una. British people don't do how many years ago. Make una don't let una fellow black Jews and against una guess they speak English. All those are fake useless English. Una they hear so my people. This evening by 9 o'clock I continue from here. I will talk about that our old mama when they still collect her land, not be around her house. They will bring the pictures to me that the daughter have contacted me. I even talk to a parent amigo. We will continue this evening. Enough is enough. All these bad people when they say they won't use their power against the poor people. No, there must be space for the poor in the year 2018. There must be space. Enough is enough. You may hear so? So my people will not forget. By 9 o'clock, we continue from where we stop, okay? We'll baptize them. Things. I'm solidarity with Dr. Freeze. All of them, they say now, Africans will not get when they take visa. Africans will your wife, they beat you. Call your wife, not they beat you. Your wife, not they beat you. No, now share this video. Make go meet Dr. Freeze. Make him meet a Basket Mouth. Make him meet, no, send that to Lisa Ikechi, send that to Nigeria Miss. When I tell her, I say, yes, I'm solidarity with Dr. Freeze. Enough is enough. Say, that this one will take come out to Latifo. Basket Mouth, make you just close your mouth. Say, go and say sorry to Dr. Freeze for what you talk. Yes, so because I'm from the year 2018, no envelope for na comment here again. No envelope for na. If you want to make money, go to theater and make your funny there. You just supposed to go to the altar of God and start making noise. They make comedy so that the poor people will come church to receive a blessing, to receive prayer, they're going to pay you. No. Our mumu don't do. Our mumu don't do the yes. So see you people by 9 o'clock and one of us shall off it, my dear.